After enrolling in the HondaLink 90-day free trial, one of the first things to try is the remote start feature. It allows you to start your car from anywhere you are at a time of your choosing. It also activates the climate control and preconditions the cabin, perfect for cold or hot weather. With the app open on your phone, open the remote command drawer and touch Start. Your car will start and remain on for 10 minutes. You can also turn it off or extend it for another 10 minutes by touching Stop or Extend. You'll discover the Find My Car feature is very cool, especially if you're looking for your car in a giant parking lot or worse, at night. From the remote command drawer, select Locate. A map and your car's location will appear. You may need to refresh the screen to get the current location. You'll also see directions, lights, and horn. Turning on lights and horn would probably be a good option in a large, multi-level parking garage to quickly find your car. But in that giant parking lot we mentioned earlier, choosing directions might be best.